ayun na yung bird. Ayan. Ayan na yung bird. Ayan na yung bird. So, tingnan mo yung bird. Na. Ayun na kyan, no? Sa harap mo. Chicken. Ayan. Yung goat. Ayan yung goat. Nagdaan yung goat. Ayun, yung swan. Ayun, yung swan. Yung swan. Look. Ayun. Ayun yun. Ayan na yung bird. Ayan na yung monkey. Oh, ayan yung monkey. Oh. ka. Remember.
po kami dalawan, performing arts. At syempre, kasama na din doon ang ating mga cute na cute na mga animal ambassador. Once again, folks, palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyo. Alright, now guys, ngayong umaga, before tayo mag-visit sa acting show, I need your energy muna. Okay, now guys, when I say hep hep, you say hooray. Okay, hep hep! One more hep hep! One more hep hep! Ayun, mabuhay! Madayaw po! Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I am your animal. Once again, guys, my name is Kuya Boy, and I'm your host for this morning. Now, I have some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center. Thanks for walking na natin si Jack Jack. Now, Jack Jack, don't you know boy, yan na si folks. Folks, that is Jack Jack, our Brahmini guide, or also known as the Baloo. Now, Brahmini guides are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Dexter natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So nangunguha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's our Jack
May raptor man na bird.
Palakpakan po natin.
May raptor man na
At
bird.
syempre, ang kanyang golden trainer, na si Kuya Dexter. Ayan, uwi na sila. Alright now, moving on agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. They call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here na boy. Ayan na siya folks. Whoop. There you go, syempre. Balik pa niyang younger brother, na si JJ. Ayan, once again folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Huseros Mindanensis. Min kami ni Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo ang kanilang mga biluga sa malapitan folks. Legit na legit yan guys, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Alright, ngayong umaga, magpapakita nila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Buti pa sa right side ko. May energy sa left side. Nasaan yung energy nyo kanina, folks? Okay, one more, but more energy. Again, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na nga ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Gucci, Kuya Michael? Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now, folks, prepare your cameras.
Dito ka lang,
Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly!
Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ! Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nakatch ni lalaking kalaw, o mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin ang
Hornbill man yan,
kalaw.
hornbill.
Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay
Pterodactyl yan?
forever.
Bird man yan.
Talaga folks, sa buti pa sa ating mga kalaw may forever, no? No, sa mga single ladies natin dyan, kung naghahanap ka ng forever, nandito lang ang... Ayan, kala mo dyan folks, magpapakita-kilas pa ang ating mga kalaw. Now folks, again, prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw. the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Balagbakan po natin. Umaga with Kuya Cyril. Kuya Cyril, may pa-presents yan sa ating mga kiddos. Alright na mga ates, mga kuyas. Lapitan natin si Kuya Cyril. Bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds mo. Don't you worry. Don't be scared. But I won't bite you naman.
Ganyan mo ng kamay mo para kainin niya.
Talaga. Okay. Be gentle, good ate.
Ganyan mo yung kamay mo.
Kaya lang. By the way, folks, limit lang.
Ganyan mo yung
po
kamay
yan,
mo.
ha?
Yung kamay mo.
Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, you
Ganyan mo
will
kamay mo,
have
hingin ka.
our animal
Hingin ka.
ambassadors po.
Hingin ka ng seed. Ikaw, Kian. Lapit na.
Tayo lang muna natin
Lapit.
si Kuya Sara. By the way, kinakain ni
Lapit.
Sa sunflower seeds po. Okay.
Kain yan.
The mental capacity of a 4-year-old child po. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang ng bata. And just like most parents guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-kadang. Alright, Barak. So, and paglayan natin sa zygodactyl feet number folks. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing them to grab items. So marching it boys, right, left and baba, good boy. Parang dahil na daw dyan boys. May high five ka Kuya Cyril. High five Kuya Cyril. Alright, one more pa daw. Barak, high five Kuya Cyril pa daw eh. Perfect. Now folks, napakalambing nito ni Barak guys. Napaka-sweet nito. Okay na Barak. Kiss to Kuya Cyril. Namin kiss. Okay, one more pa daw Kuya Cyril. Sa kabilang miskin. Okay na folks, at hindi lang yan si Barak ay isang eco warrior team. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito nagsasegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Ewan, taas kamay. Nagsasegregate. Okay, we have mom. Okay, we have sir. Okay, si ate. Si mom. Hala, yung iba hindi si sir. Okay, si mom din. Hala, yung iba hindi ka nagsasegregate. Okay, na ngayong umaga, tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate ng kanilang basura. So, nung nandiyan Kuya Cyril, ating basurahan, we have a non-biodegradable bin. Folks,
Tingnan mo,
gumagana.
magtapon dyan ng basura.
We have a biodegradable bin. Again, folks, i-check muna yan ni Barak para sure daw. Okay, how about yung isa boy? Perfect. At mukhang ready na si Barak, Kuya Cyril. No, Kuya Cyril, are you ready na din? Okay, mukhang ready na si Kuya Cyril. Ng Kuya Cyril, like count of 3 na po ng basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Kaya nung unang kukunin ni Barak, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy! Yung pangalawang kukunin ni Barak, this time a piece of leaf dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. May dalaw pang basura, boy. Alright, a piece of leaf dahon naman, syempre, saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. And 1 piece of trash lang, boy. A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Palagpakan po natin si Barak po. Ang present cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. Now guys, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand. Once again, who wants to see Apollo dance? Sino gusto makita si Apollo? Anyone? Si Apollo. Okay, how about, ito daw. How about Kuya Richie? Wants to see Kuya Richie dance? Raise your hand. Alam ka Kuya Richie, kayo daw ni Apollo sasayaw ha. Okay, now Ate Christine, hit it.
Kiss pa yung van. Nag-dance siya.
And that is the moonwalk made famous by Michael Jackson. So, Apras Boy, pakita mo sa kanila kung gaano kagaling mag-unok, pero na-relay yung music natin, Kuya Richie. Okay. Now, never mind na lang. And this time, let's see his acting skill. Magaling tong umarte si Apollo, folks. Magaling tong artista na Apollo. What do we do if you see a predator? May akin na boy, may predator. Ano gagawin? Patay, good boy Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pa daw, isa pa daw Apollo. Hello Apollo, may agila sa itaas mo boy. Anong gagawin? Gagawin, ayan na naman siya po. Patay. Napaka-dramatic po talaga, Apollo. Okay, folks, palapagad po natin si Apollo. Okay na, Kuya Richie, hindi pa tayo tapos, Apollo. Ano, Kuya Richie, pwede mo intervene si Apollo? Apollo, intervene kita. Quick interview lang, pwede? Pwede? Okay, nag-agree siya, guys. Okay, dito tayo sa center.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Apollo, sumagot ka na maayos, Apollo, ha? Alright, now, Apollo, look at Kuya Richie. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Okay ba si Kuya Richie mo, Apollo? Good ka daw, Kuya Richie. Okay, now, how about me daw, boy, Apollo? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Look at me. Talaga, Apollo, napakabayos mo talaga, boy. Pag si Kuya Richie, oo. Pag sa akin, hindi. Okay, now, how about dito tayo sa ating mga guests? Okay, ito daw si Sir. Oh, ayan, naka-black na t-shirt. Now, Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Ayun, nasarap lang natin. Wow! Okay, okay. How about sa babae daw? Okay, ito daw si Ma'am na naka-black din. Okay. Now, Apollo, look at Ma'am. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am Apollo? Ayun, nasarap natin si Ate. Alright, okay. Okay, Richie, patanglang yung naiba. Ano nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga? Kayo talaga. Okay, last na lang daw, be. Please, boy, Apollo, one more time. Look at me. Am I good looking? Oh. And that is Jumbo, our honor umbrella, crested cockatoo. No, guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding bicycle na Jumbo. Sakay. Padiak sa Padiak Kibuy. Pag first placer, pangayon man. O dahan-dahan para lang, good boy. Jumbo lang to the kids out there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because tuturuan tayo ni Jumbo paano gumamit ng scooter. Ayan ko kaya niya mabike.
Yan, scooter na naman.
Sa Jumbo, sakay ulit. O dahan-dahan. Para lang, good boy. Jumbo, see guys. Even our animals love to help from Mother Nature. You can also help by doing reuse, recycle, and repurpose, and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo, folks. Palagpakan po natin sila. At syempre kanyang boging trainer na si Kuya Gmar. By the way, guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park, and so we have 4 species of cockatoos. One is the sulfur crested cockatoo. 2 is the umbrella crested cockatoo, which are Sinapollo's job. That is steady or Palawan bearcat with a scientific name of Artictis pinturung, locally known as pinturong, guys. Now, folks, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanilang tail. Same sa mga monkeys. Sabi ba, pakita na ng Teddy ngayong umaga po. And there you go, that is prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that in the wild to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, folks. Now guys, kind of direct your attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno.
Ayan na yun si Uno.
Alright, now guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up in their 2 hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno. And thank you so much, Uno. Folks, fact pala about Palawan bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre huwag na natin sila lapitan ha, baka makagat, bakit ka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivore po pala sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong umaga, Kuya Michael, ano yung pinapakain mo kayo, Kuya? Ano yan, folks? Saging or banana, which are fruit. Once again, omnivore sila ha? Okay, which is fruits pala. Okay, na may tanong ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, correct. How about carne or meat? Carnivore. How about herbs, grasses at carne? Omnivore. Perfect. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Ano sabi fruit salad? Wala, hindi fruit salad. Hindi fruit salad yung sagot ko. And now, ngayong umaga, before natin i-meet si Piola at si Daniel, ngayong umaga, pipili po tayo ng 2 adult guest po. Hindi ako yung pipili ha, yung mga trainers natin. Sumusunod lang ako sa kanila guys kung sino pipiliin nila. Okay! Alright, namin natin si Kuya Dexter. Kuya Dexter, yung unang pipiliin natin ngayong umaga. Si Ma'am daw nasa picture. Ayan, naka-dark blue, may pamaypay. Yes, Kuya to. Okay, dito na po tayo, Ma'am. Okay, sige na, Ma'am. We promise you. Already train na po ito. Mag-picture taking na po tayo, folks. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am, please. Okay, come here na, Ma'am. Sige na. We promise you. Ayaw daw ni Ma'am. Sige, huwag ka lang natin pilitin, Kuya Dexter. Si Ma'am daw na nasa bleacher pa rin, katabi ni Sir na naka-black. Ayan, yes po, dito na po tayo. Sige na, I'm here. Alright, once again, already train na po to. Okay. Alright. Later na lang ate ha, pagkatapos sa show. Again guys, you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po pagkatapos sa show. Okay, now, pili pa tayo ng isa. Okay, now. Kaya Gucci, sinong last natin pipiliin? Si Ma'am daw, naka-yellow. O, blood ang hair. Yes, o, katabi ni Ma'am. O, kayo ha? Okay, relax ka lang ate ha? Alright, once again folks, that is our gentle giant sa Sinapiola at Daniel. Our Burmese python with a scientific name of Python pivitatus. And they are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel here is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat-bigat na ng konti si Daniel guys. Kasi nung okay, ito si Ma'am Rom. So ikaw Ma'am, dito tayo sa center. Alright, center sa arena. Na Ma'am, sino po kasama natin? Who are you with po? Nasan si husband? Ayun, hello sir, ayun ba? Hello sir, mabuhay yung pareho sir. Now sir, take a lot of beautiful photos for her please. Okay. Okay, picturean po natin si Ma'am. Alright Ma'am, be gentle lang ha? Okay. Okay, relax ka lang dyan Ma'am, we promise you. Ma'am, show your Valentina pose. Okay, pwede kang rumamba dyan. Okay na ba husband? Alright, we should be good na Kuya Dex. Pwede na natin kunin. Oh, thank you so much, Ma'am, ha? Alright, now, Ma'am, you can take back your seat. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am, folks. Alright, ito si Ma'am. Kami, taga Davao. Okay, now, Ma'am, kasi kauban na to. Sino kasama natin? Kasi imong kauban. Asa man si ate? O, asa si ate? Ate! Ayun, nasa likod? Ay, hindi pala. Ayun pala. Okay, family. Okay na, ate! May gift ako para kay Ma'am, ha? Ay, kay ate. Ma'am, sa'yo po. Okay na, ate! Take a lot of beautiful photos for her, please. Okay? Naman, don't you worry. Non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas. So, hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. Pero, constrictor, meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo at lugang-lugang po yan ang ating dalawang ahas ngayon, Ma'am. Okay, joke lang. Okay na ate. Again, take a lot of beautiful photos for... Alam po, sa pag-checking the time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show. Guys, mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-breakfast, so kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes lang, ha? Okay na ate, hanapin nyo lang kami doon sa office, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes, okay? Now folks, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Babalik lang po kami. Dapat kayo salamat sa inyong tanong. Again, ate, take a lot of beautiful photos for her, please. Okay, pinilo ka lang namin natin yung mga kuya. Ayan na, oh. Medyo mabigat pa naman to. Okay na lang po ba? Okay, okay lang po na si ate. Okay, wait lang po, ha? Alright, kunin na natin. Alright, ano mag-feel natin sa ahas? Malamig? Ha? Siyempre po, kasi malamig sila is because cold-blooded po ang ating mga ahas. Okay, now, you can take back to yours. Palagpakan po natin. Kuya Siren with a kalo at siyempre ang magandang DJ na si Ate Kristen with a kickbox, Kuya Michael with a rabbit, at dun sa itaas na si Kuya Fritz. So once again folks, my name is Kuya Boy. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay, Uparayaw, Naghanda yung salamat sa inyong tanan.
Sit back.
Ayan, like I said kanina, again, if you want to take some photos or videos of our animal ambassadors, lalo na dito sa ating snakes, lapitan lang po natin si Kuya Gucci at Kuya Dexter sa mga takot sa ahas. Andiyan po ang ating mga ibon, ni Kuya Jimar at Kuya Cyril. At syempre, Kuya Michael with a rabbit. At syempre, Kuya Richie with a baby crocodile po. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos, pwede po. By the way, sa mga bisita po natin, okay, sa mga bisita po natin, hindi pa